Have you ever wanted to log into a remote server without typing your password every time? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up passwordless SSH authentication in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Generating an SSH key pair. First, we need to create an SSH key pair on our local machine. Open your terminal and type ssh-keygen-t-rsa. Press Enter to save the key in the default location. If you want extra security, you can set a passphrase, but it's optional. Once done, your key pair is ready. Step 2. Copying the public key to the remote server. Next, we need to copy our public key to the server. If you have SSH access, simply run ssh-copy-id username at your server IP. In my case, I'll run ssh-copy-id root at 190.168.1.41. This will automatically add our key to the server's authorized list, allowing secure login without a password. Step 3. Testing passwordless SSH login. Now let's test if everything is working. Try logging into the remote server with SSH username at your server IP. Since I'm using root, I'll run SSH root at 190.168.1.41. If everything is set up correctly, you should be logged in without entering a password. Final verification. To confirm that our key was successfully added, check the authorized keys file on the server. Run cat tilde/ssh/authorized keys. If you see your public key listed there, congratulations. Your passwordless SSH setup is complete. And that's it. You now have secure passwordless SSH access. This makes logging in faster and is great for automation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.